His name is Theon. He does as he pleases. He likes to get scratches from the bites from the fleas. He's got the fleas.
See, now he's going to leave because you offended him.
I didn't offend him.
See, he only wants me now.
Am I offensive, Theon?
You were offensive, David.
Offensive.
We call him Theon because I want a gray cat and name him Theon Gray Cat.
But we're not getting another cat because Julian is happy to be an only cat.
That's true.
True. We can't bring another cat in here. It'll mess Julian all up.
We don't want to hurt him. We love Julian.
That's
very,
right.
very
We don't
much.
want Julian to get hurt. Theon is hanging out under the truck.
Come here, Theon.
No, he's out. See you later.
Where'd he go?